Top 6. Brushed stainless steel case with black dial, black rubber strap, Swiss automatic movement case, diameter 44 mm, water resistant to 100 meters. Top 5. Dial window material tab, anti-reflective sapphire, display tab analog, clasp tab buckle, case material stainless steel, case diameter 40 mm, band material leather. Top 4. Dial window material tab, anti-reflective sapphire, display tab analog, clasp buckle, case material yellow gold, case diameter 43.5 mm, band material leather, band color blue, dial color radiant blue, bezel material ceramic, bezel function rotating bezel, calendar date, top 3. Dial window material tab, sapphire crystal, display tab analog, clasp tab buckle, case material bronze, case diameter 43 mm, band material leather, band width 21 mm, top 2. Swiss made blue dial index hour markers, black ceramic bezel, date feature, 38-hour power is off, self-winding automatic movement, water resistance depth is 300 meters, top 1. Black ceramic unidirectional rotating bezel with white minute scale, black dial silver tone luminous hand and indications, screwed on crown Swiss automatic movement function. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please comment in a comment section.